how to log in as guest in Microsoft Teams. So first, you need to receive an invite from someone, and then, for example, this is what the invite would look like. And then you can just click here to join the meeting here at the bottom. Okay. Next is just click on continue on this browser. Then you just need to wait here. Then just click on allow while visiting the site. Okay. Now you just need to wait. Okay. Now you just need to type in your name here. So I'll just type in test here and then click on join now. Okay. Now, for example, let's just go here and then click on admit here. Since, for example, this is the owner, right? The owner would just click on admit here in order for you to join the meeting. So you can see. Now let's go back here. And there you go. Now you've just joined the meeting. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.